How's it going, everyone? This is Sean here from Scale Model Car Guy channel, and today's video is going to be my final on old Tom RAMBLER69. Your friend, my friend, all our friends, the number one pillar to this community, RAMBLER69. Here he is. Here's his newest shop card. And if y'all ain't subscribed to old Tom, get over there and give him a big old sub. I can't imagine anybody in this community not being subscribed to old Tom. That's just unheard of. Tom is the man. I mean, he was like the first guy to get on your post and tell you you're doing a good job. I mean, this dude, I tell you, I joke with him all the time. I tell him he's got to be cloned. There's no way he can respond to that many videos. I can't keep up with hardly anything. This dude is everywhere. I think old Tom's cloned. I really do believe so. But before we get this video started, guys, I want to thank you, my subscriber. Thumbs up, thumbs down, whatever makes your world go around, guys. Subscribing is free. Free. This channel right here don't ask for anything, guys. Don't ask for money, nothing, no sponsors, no nothing. All I ask for is to support anybody that I mention in my videos. I always leave a description below. And go over there, like, share, and subscribe. This is the best model community ever, guys, and I do mean ever. All right, let's get this started. So, like I said, y'all know who this video is for. I'll put a shop card up here again. There's even a QR code on there if you want to click on that and go check it out. Go straight to it, but there it is. All right. Let me remove this box. As y'all know, this is what I built. I built the 1949 Mercury. It is the AMT Customizing Series, and no, it don't look like that. I have done some heavy modifications to it, and let's check it out. Move that out of the way. Let me bring this sucker into focus. There she is. I made this little display base right here, and the case just fits right on top of it. But as you can see, I made the trophy, or well, I didn't make the trophies. They come with the kit, but I gold plated the couple of the trophies, did the wooden base on a couple. You can see I got there. I made my base here. I laid chrome foil, the whole sheet of chrome foil on the bottom of that, to where you can see the reflection of the underneath of the car. Oh, top's kind of sliding off. There we go. And there she is. I'll take her off this base here in just a second and show you what's going on with it. But as you can see, she is modified. She is Inca gold. And Tom, this is all for you, buddy. I'll get her in the mail within the next few weeks, bud. She'll be in the mail, arriving at your doorstep. I know you ought to appreciate it and love it. I put a lot of work into this thing for you. Now, of course, my diorama skills aren't the best, Tom. That might not be the best little display base thing, but it serves a purpose. It looks like a show card, and I didn't have no rope to put on there, so I just dug through all my parts, photo etch parts, and plug wires and all that stuff, and that there is braided hose. Braided hose right there. That's all braided hose going around that. All right. Now, like I said, it'd be a little hard to... Oh, I bumped the camera. Let me take this thing off here real quick and put it up there and show you what I've got going on. Oh. All right. Let's take that Carson top off. Let's move that out of the way. Let's bring it in. Let's put it back on and give you another little look-see around real quick with the Carson top on it. As you can see, I put the spotlights on it, shaved the door handles, shaved all the trim off of it, the little Mercury sign. The headlights are Frenched. Custom grill out of the 60s parts pack. That is a custom grill out of the 60s parts pack. I Frenched in the antennas, and there goes a model falling, guys. That's how many models I got. They just fall. The tail lights are the Cadillac tail lights, but I have Frenched the Cadillac tail lights in. And then I'm going to take it off here and show you everything, all the details. Move this out of the way. And I keep bumping the camera. You can see right there the tail lights are Frenched. You can see the exhaust tips. Now this right here has to come off because it won't open and close because of this tire right here. This thing was kind of designed poorly. With that tire sitting in its place, you can't open and close it, so just take it off. You can see I carpeted the inside. I put the, what do you call it, pleated or whatever, kick panels in there, the chrome, tools jack, and then there's also a, what do you call that, a plaque, the car club plaque in there. Let's see, on the inside you can see I put the telephone. Now I didn't put the TV or the reel-to-reel in there. I really didn't want to take up the space and put all that in there, but you can see the carpet in the partial tray and everything. You can see the dash. I painted red, the steering wheel red, of course the red and white interior. I had to build all this up right here since I cut the top off and chopped the top. Let's see. You can see the top is chopped, foiled. I'll put the panel line on the doors. It has custom hubcaps out of some 60s kit. I don't know exactly which kit. I got so many parts, I just pulled them out. So it's got the custom hubcaps on it. You can see underneath, I did the white underneath with the red chassis, the red mufflers, chrome gas tank. There's the bottom side of the engine. Let's check this out. Here is that custom grill. That is out of the parts pack, and the little ribs come out of the parts pack and I put on the grill. You can see the headlights in there. They are in there. They are Frenched very far back in there. And let's open this bad boy up. Let's take it off. I know with those spotlights on there, it's a little bit harder to get off, but here we go. There is the Chrysler engine, wired, chrome the radiator, and the heater box thing over there is chromed. Other than that, white in there. Just I wanted everything to kind of tie in, guys. And you can see how low it is. Let's put this back on here. Give you a little run around here. Put all these parts back on here. Like I said, I had to break that off. Sorry, Tom, but it just wasn't happening. That spare tire in there, but that just pops back in place. It's not coming off. And then that just pops in place. And now, Tom, when you get this, you might want to glue that Carson top on. That way it'll keep from sliding around. But the Carson top is from the 40 or 50 model Ford, something like that. AMT 50 model Ford. That's where I use the Carson top from. I had somebody suggest to me use the Carson top out of the IMC kit. I got it out and tried it, and no way, didn't work at all. Now then, let me move this out of the way and show you what I've done on this base. Now I can see that I've already broke it right now. I'm gonna have to glue that back in there. It come out. But that is a one big sheet of chrome foil glued to the bottom of it there. Here are the trophies. I've got them glued to it. Tom, I hope you like it. And let's see if I can get it back on there without messing everything up. Let's get it into focus here. And let me show you, let me find that case, that top for it. Now, of course, Tom, you'll have to clean this case up. This is the only one I find that could fit all that. It's a used case, so I hope you like it, buddy. You just might have to kind of polish that case up a little bit, but there you go, Tom. Like I said, I'll get it out in the mail to you. Appreciate Jeff for throwing this video, or this appreciation build. Thank you, guys. Thank you, my subscriber. Go check out old Tom, Jeff. There you go. Hope you like it. Bye. Love you. Bye.